English Italian, to be.
Essere.
Fun, fast lesson. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Ciao, friend. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to languages. Buckle up. Today you'll master the English, to be, with its Italian twin.
Essere.
This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free guides and practice at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready? Let's make grammar giggle. Your learning goal today. In 2 minutes, you'll say who you are, where you are, and how you are, confidently. Target. The verb, to be, equals.
Essere.
I am equals.
Sono.
You are, singular, informal, equals.
Sei.
He is equals.
Lui è.
She is equals.
Lei è.
It is equals.
È.
We are equals.
Noi siamo.
You are, plural, equals.
Siete.
They are equals.
Sono.
Funny warm-up. Loosen your tongue and your smile. Repeat after me. I am awesome. Say.
Sono.
Fantastico, fantastica. You are ready, to one friend.
Sei.
Pronto, pronta. He is on time.
Lui è.
Puntuale. She is the DJ.
Lei è.
La DJ. It is open.
È.
Aperta. We are a team.
Noi siamo.
Una squadra. You are legends, to a group.
Siete.
Legend. They are happy.
Sono.
Felici. Mini dialogue, at the door. Act this out with me, you'll sound natural fast. A. Who's there? B. I am Alex.
Sono.
Alex. A. Great. You are on time, bravo.
Sei.
Puntuale. B. And the band? A. They are inside.
Sono.
Dentro. B. The stage, it is ready, il palco.
È.
Pronto. A. Perfect. We are excited.
Noi siamo.
Entusiasti. B. You are, plural, amazing.
Siete.
Fantastici. A. He is the drummer, she is the singer.
Lui è.
Il batterista.
Lei è.
La cantante. Call and response drills. I'll say the English, you fire back the Italian, out loud. I am at home. Say.
Sono.
A casa. You are kind, singular. Quote.
Sei.
Gentile. He is ready. Quote.
Lui è.
Pronto. She is smart. Quote.
Lei è.
Intelligente. It is enough. Quote.
È.
Sufficiente. We are friends. Quote.
Noi siamo.
Amici. You are, plural, in Rome. Quote.
Siete.
Aroma. They are late. Quote.
Sono.
In ritardo. Culture tip. Keep it natural. Speak like natives while keeping it friendly, too, style. In Italian, you often drop the pronoun because the verb already tells who.
Sono.
Marco is enough for, I am Marco. Mind the accent.
È.
Means is, it is, while plain, means and. Use.
Sei.
For one friend, you are.
Siete.
For a group, you are plural. For formal you, Italians use
Lei è.
with a capital L. Tiny words, big vibes. Quiz time. Quick checks. Answer before the pause. Fill it in. The museum ____ open. Answer.
È.
Aperta. Translate. We are ready. Quote.
Noi siamo.
Pronti. Translate, to one friend, you are funny. Quote.
Sei.
Simpatico, simpatica. Pick the right one, group, you are amazing. Quote.
Siete.
Fantastici. Say it, he is my brother, she is my sister. Quote.
Lui è.
Mio fratello.
Lei è.
Mia sorella. Translate, they are here. Quote.
Sono.
Key. Key verb check. To be, in Italian is. Quote.
Essere.
Quote. Lightning challenge. Now chain them without thinking, go. Say all present forms fast. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, plural, they are. Quote.
Sono. Sei. Lui è. Lei è. È. Noi siamo. Siete. Sono.
Quote. Make a tiny story using 3 forms of to be.
Essere.
E.g., I am new, you are kind, it is easy. Quote.
Sono.
Nuovo, nuova.
Sei.
Gentile.
È.
Facile. Thanks and next steps. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening, keep practicing, to be, equals.
Essere.
I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, plural, they are, your daily identity toolkit. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo, Say Fantastico. Keep shining.